Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a beauty mail unboxing. I've accumulated a bunch of packages over the last couple of weeks and some of them I've peeked, but a lot of them I have not opened, so I thought it would be fun if we open them together. A lot of this is going to be makeup and skincare, and a lot of it is surprises for me, so I have no idea what's in some of these boxes. So if you guys want to see what I got in the mail, then just keep watching. Okay, this first package is from PIXI, and PIXI is always very creative and I love their packaging. I believe last month I got this huge glow tonic and it had my name on it and I loved it. So I'm excited to see what's in here. I wonder if it's going to be personalized again. I love when companies actually like personalize things. I just feel like it's more meaningful. So let's see what's in here. Okay, this is really adorable. So this is what the outside of the packaging looks like. It has like a floral design on it, and it is pink and green, and it has a little lock on it too. How cute is that? Okay, let's see if I can open this up. Okay, so it's kind of like a storybook. So you open it up, you do have to unlock it, and it says open to reveal the key to glowing skin. So let's see. How cute is this? So there's a couple different things in here. It says skin treats. There's the rose caviar essence and a rose flash balm. And then you open up this side as well. Ooh, matte last liquid lipsticks. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Sorry if I'm like blinding you with these lights, but it comes with 5 different liquid lipsticks, and I have not tried PIXI's liquid lipstick, so I'm really excited, and I am living for this packaging. I think it is really pretty, and I kind of want to take an Instagram picture with this because I love it. Thank you so much to PIXI for sending this over to me. If you don't know where to find PIXI, it's in Target. So I actually was at Target today and I was looking at the PIXI items. But this is really cute. I love this. Thank you so much. I will link this down below for you guys. Okay, that's starting off on a good note. This next package is from Kiehl's, and it has like a bunch of oranges and like citrusy. So let's see what's in here. Scott, when I got this in the mail, he called it Kegels. He was like, you have a package from Kegels. No. Let's see what's in here. I believe this is like a vitamin C serum. This is what the inside of the box looks like. It has a little card here, and it says Kiehl's Vitamin C Myths Debunked. Okay, so it has some facts and some fictions about vitamin C. More vitamin C is always better. Fiction. Vitamin C is for any skin type, any age. Fact. So this right here. Wait a second. Oh, it wasn't in the package. I was like, they sent me an empty box. So this is the Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate with hyaluronic acid. It is 12.5% vitamin C, and this is what it looks like right here. I'm excited to use this because vitamin C is really important for your skin. It's good for brightening, lightening, and tightening. It's good for fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm excited to try this out. So thank you to Kiehl's for sending this over to me. And they sent over this too. What is this? Plant Me. Little seeds. Is this orange seeds? I think this is orange seeds. I don't know what this is. This is cute. This next package, I actually ordered something from Amazon because I have eczema, and someone recommended this to me on Twitter. And I guess it's like a cream that you can use on your body and face. It is. Apparently it's very popular, but I think they have it in like CVS too. So this is called Vanna Cream, and it's a moisturizing skin cream free of dyes, fragrance, masking fragrance, parabens, safe for sensitive skin. So if you have eczema and sensitive skin, apparently this is like really good. So I'm excited to try this out. It says National Eczema Association. Yeah, I have eczema and so does Scott, so we're gonna try this out and see how we like it. So I got that off of Amazon. The next package is from The Balm, and this is the first time I'm ever receiving any products from The Balm, so I'm really excited about it. Because I do love their Mary Luminizer, but I don't have too many products from The Balm. So this is a liquid Mary Lou and Bonnie Lou Manizer. I'm so excited about this. So these are liquid highlighters. So I have Mary Dew, Bonnie Dew, I have another Mary Dew, and another Bonnie Dew. So I'll throw 2 in a giveaway, but these are what they look like. So they're liquid highlighters. Very excited about those. I also have in here a black liquid liner. That's the packaging on that. I love the Balm's packaging. It's very cute. And then I also have 4, ooh, what's this? Oh, these are eyeshadows. So it's called Overshadow the Sex Pause. So here's 2 of them right here. And then I have 2 more. These are really cute packaging. I'm excited to see the actual shadow in it. Let's open one because I have no idea what these look like. Ooh, this is a loose pigment. So it's gonna be hard to show you guys, but this is like a loose pigment and it looks like it's gonna be a nice like taupey color. So I'm excited to play with those. So thank you to the Balm for sending this over to me. Really excited about the Balm. The next package I have here, I believe this is from Octoly. Yes, okay. So this is from Clarins, and you can get this on Sephora.com. I believe it's pretty new to Sephora, but this is the SOS Hydra. It's a refreshing hydration mask with leaf of life extract. So this is the packaging. I did receive this free for a review from Octoly, so I will link it down below for you guys. But this one is a face mask, and I'm all into the face masks. So this one is a hydrating one. It's supposed to be very refreshing. I think they do have 2 other ones, like a yellow one and maybe like an orange one, but I love hydration for my skin, especially for the winter time. So I'm excited to give this a try. I love the packaging, very bright and pretty. So I'll link this down below and I'll let you guys know how I like it. So the next package I have here is from Maybelline, and I received 2 mascaras. This is their newest mascara. It's called the Total Temptation, and they did send me 2, so I will put 1 in a giveaway. And this is in the Blackest Black. I believe this smells like coconut, and a lot of people have been talking about this mascara for length and volume, so I'm really excited to give it a try. It looks really promising, and I feel like mascara is one of those things that you can buy at the drugstore and it's going to work just as well as a high-end mascara. So I'm excited to give these a try and see if I like it. But I've heard really good things, and the packaging is so cute too. I did order lashes from Koko Lashes because everyone talks about the goddess lashes. Of course, when I opened my lashes to put them on for the first time, they broke, so that's kind of sad, but I did get 2 other pairs. So I got them in 501 and then Allure. So these are what they look like. They just look very natural and wispy. I'm kind of disappointed in the goddess lashes falling apart because I was very gentle to like try and remove it, but it's still like broke in half. So that's the only downside because they were kind of expensive. I'm used to like buying lashes for $1, like 70, and these lashes were like $8 and they broke. So kind of sad about that, but I did get some Koko lashes since everyone talks about them. All right, I have another package here from Octoly, and I believe this is from Lancome. I love Lancome skincare. This is the Renergie Lift Multi-Action Ultra. So this is a firming and dark spot correcting moisturizer. Good for the face, neck, décolleté, and it's good for all skin types. So this is what it looks like. We got this in my Sephora about a month ago, and I took a sample home and I've been using it on my neck, and I really, really like it. I feel like I don't put too many products, like too many moisturizers on my neck, so I really want to start doing that because your hands and your neck are the first to show signs of aging. So I'm really into this. The sample that I got I really loved. So this is what the packaging looks like, and Lancome is expensive, but their products do really work. I really do like their skincare. So I will link this down below. I did receive this free for review, and I've already tried it, and I know I like it. So I'm excited to have a full size of this to try out. So firming and dark spot correcting. I don't know about dark spots because I don't really have any dark spots on my face, but I'm all for the firming. So the last package I have here is from Milk Makeup, and this is their Luminous Blur Stick. So it launched on January 23rd, and it goes for $36. So this is what it looks like. It's basically the same thing as the blur stick, except it's more of a luminosity. So this is the packaging. It does have more of a glow to it, and I haven't tried this out yet, but I am excited to because I like having more of a glow to my skin as opposed to matte. So I can't wait to give this a try, but I will link this down below for you guys. So those were all the packages that I had to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will link everything down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!